Hey, Cancer, Cancer, how you doing? Scare Ruth. How you doing on this rainy, beautiful day? Love it when it's quiet and clean up the earth, don't you? All that crap. Just think about all the crap that come on the earth. Be all around. The rain come through and wash it out. Not only just, grow everything for us, cleanse everything, but also, you know. So I'm gonna do a little rain read. See what they want to say. Cancer, Cancer. Let's see. Okay. Give me two words. One, two. Okay. You waiting for it to be sunny, huh? You don't like the rain? Are you dealing with a Leo? Marriage, happiness, and bright prospects. Okay. Like you want to propose, or they're proposing to you. Kids look happy about it. Okay. Everything growing. See, that's what the rain does. Make everything wonderful. After the leaves, everything start growing beautiful and bright. Love it, love it. Okay, got married twice. Cancer, Cancer. The Hermit. Taurus. I like to call you Taurus earlier. So you're either dealing with a Leo or Taurus. You say you finna go? Oh, okay. Sorry about that, Cancer. Okay, that's a Leo. Marriage, government, or public company, body, corporation, official building, or official situation. Or you finna open up a company or something, you know, or work for the government. Wish you luck and whatever it may be. Congratulations. Even if it's a new boo, a little baby, a little bambino. Okay. All the babies recovering from something. So many ways. Are you? So we're gonna do a little medical affirmation. Okay. See what's happening. What they want to say. Cancer, Cancer. Let's see. I teach my kids to take care of themselves. Love yourself first. Okay. I am not confused. I take care of things that haunt me, past people, spirits, low vibration, and so on. I don't take everything personally. Jokes, criticism, I learn, laugh at myself. I will not ruin my kids' lives or mine. I love my skin color. I don't smother my family, mate, friends, and kids. I forgive people. I don't just cry for attention. You have a reason. I don't get bored or restless. I can calm down and be in the moment. I have strong energy. I keep myself energized. Thoughts, prayer, crystals, etc. I think before I speak. Get crystals to help if I can't. Look at my birth chart. So they're telling stressing that one. I know you noticed the crystal thing going on. Okay. Let's do a little edible healing plants. See what they want to say. Maybe something you were looking for. Oh, shoot. Come on, y'all. They gave me too many cancers. We ain't trying to do all that. Just a little quick read. Okay. This is magnolia tree. The magnolia flower. Leaves can be dried and sprinkled into food instead of ginger. Cardamom for short cooking, salad dressings, while wine vinegar and light vinegar can be used for baskets, crates, and plywood. Let's see. It's also a health benefit. Magnolia essentials are good for aroma, is calming, and can help ease worry and tension, both mind and body. Magnolia flower can be helpful for minor abrasions, scars, increased circulation, menstrual women for cramps found consuming the 12 weeks help with insomnia, irritable, I can say that word any other time. You see that, and anxiety, irritability. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's do a medical affirmation. See what they want. Oh, this. I'm sorry. Affirmation of truth. We did medical already. It says, I am very picky when picking my partner. Hello. I am happy. I don't need no one to make me happy. They only add to my happiness. I am not perfect. I always finish what I start, work, project, etc. Listening until asked to answer. Hello. Now we're going to do a little love stuff. Love advice. Let's see what they want to say. Cancer. Already got 2 eyes. Oh, shoot. I am a gold digger, married never or many times. When money run out, I'm out. Whoa. Hey, it is what it is, but is that who you really are? You know? Or somebody doing that to you? You know, you gotta look at the whole situation, not just the looks. Dig deep inside of people. Said something about the crystals and stuff the last time. Birth charts. Dig into all of them. They'll give you truth. He's not a Christian, Buddhist, etc. I'm a Christian. So are you going to let religion stop you from happiness? You need to dig off into religion and find out what that really means. Okay? You'd be surprised. Okay? It's up to you. For your happiness. Okay? Alright, that's what I have for you, Cancer. This is a little quickie. I hate this one, man. Alright, this your girl Ruth signing off. Would you like, subscribe, share, and comment? I really appreciate it. And until next time, love y'all. Bye.